Hello friends, welcome back again to our video on Chimade's video channel. In this video I want to show you how to make money on Bitget Exchange through staking and token saving. I'm going to just show you. Now the question is, I'm going to tell you a few reasons why we do this. Number one is that there are a lot of exchanges there where you can do the exact thing I'm talking about, even on decentralized exchanges like Trust Wallet. But Bitget is one of the ones, the best of it all, because of their higher this annual percentage yield is higher, and the whole thing is so seamless, very easy to do. So that's why I'm using this Bitget. So if you're going to do this, if you don't have Bitget, you need to sign up account with it. You can use my referral link to do that. You can go all the way, download from the Play Store and register account with it. Now let's just go. So once you log into your Bitget, under the home page you can see home, market, trades, features, and asset. I click on home. Under that home page, you look at this place. What you are seeing here, this area on the top left. So let's click inside it. When you click inside it, you are going to see all these options we are seeing here. Look at these options. You are seeing here reward, referral, and copy, and all that. All of these are somehow ways to still earn money here. Can have rewards like login rewards, referral rewards, then copy trading and all that. So, but I want to click on that of earn. That's where my interest is. So click on earn. In this earn, there are also categories. You can see the key categories. If you are doing this is exactly what I wanted to do. We have savings, we have on-chain earn. You need to know what this one is all about. I will still explain it in another video. On-chain elite, crypto loans. Then the savings is what I want to click on. So when you click on savings, now I want to use one of the coins I have here to just give you an example of how it works. This is a practical video, so I'm going to use and make it clear. Now I want to use BNB. I have some coins here on BNB. Now I click on BNB. Now I click on subscribe now. The system says this is a flexible. Sometimes in some of these centralized exchanges, the saving system can be flexible or fixed. If it's fixed, you might see something like 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. So if it's a fixed saving, once you choose 7 days, you cannot decide to stop that subscription within the period. You will allow the thing to run to the end of that period. And once it runs to the end of that period, both your capital, the principal, and the interest, they're all returned. But if it's flexible, I can decide to put this today, and tomorrow I feel like, let me stop this whatever staking. I stop it, withdraw my funds. But I'm going to show you. Let's go now. So it's only flexible we have here. Now you subscribe now. That's what you do. Now you now see fully. The system tells you this is 2.88% maximum. And now there's another thing you must read when you are doing this. Look at this place. The system says the minimum investment is 0.001 BNB. So if you don't have up to this, you can't do it. But actually I have up to 0.005, so my own is even bigger than yours, so I can invest. But if I have had anything less than this, I can't invest. I have some other coins here now, but I can't do this on them because what I have is lower than the minimum investment pack. So since I have it, I can go on with this. Now, and I want you to check another place here. This place they said automatic subscription. What does that mean? Remember, this is flexible. It can run to any long time. Now, if I click, I check this automatic subscription. If you do that, you are telling the system that, hey, every 24 hours, as I gain this, please help me to still restake. I don't need to be coming back to restake again, because the profit drops every single hour. So you're telling the system, please help me do this, keep on doing it until I come back anytime and decide that I want to stop something. I do that. So personally, I will always encourage you to do it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put I put maximum, I put all my coin here. That's what I said, maximum, and I agree with that automatic subscription. You've enabled automatic subscription. Yes, I said I have done that. Now you click on I have read and agreed to the terms and condition. Very important. Now the system is telling you Subscription time is 17th of this month of June today, and this is exactly telling you the time here. We have here 16, 16, 22. Interest accruals time starts exactly, let's say, in 1 hour time. Interest distribution time, the same 1 hour time. So you see it, everything is written here. So once you feel that it's okay, look at it, say interest accrued hourly with anytime access. Do you hear it now? The interest accrue every hour. By the time you come 1 hour after this, discover that there's an interest, and you can always have access to that. You can always withdraw, but it's a flexible, savings. Now you click on subscribe now. Now before I do this subscribe now, I want to say something. The question is, why do people do staking? You know that in staking of your coins or tokens, what you earn is not that much. Yes, because you are staking your money and the system pays you money. Just like in the normal banking system. If you are putting in savings, you see what the little you have. Because it's like the bank serving you. Now, but this is mostly good for those who are risk averse. They don't want to use their coins to do trading. They don't want to know anything that put them in trouble. And you don't want to hold your tokens in all these non-stable coins. Like I have this BNB now. I want to explain this area. It's very important. This BNB I have now, the value of this 0.05 BNB is around $3 point something. The truth is that if I leave it this way, maybe in the next 3 months, it may even become $10, meaning that the value of BNB is going up against dollar. So it may grow up again. But another tendency is that it can go to 4 to 0, even 5 cents. That's less than $1. Yes. So if it goes that I will lose value. Imagine you have money enough and you have up to $100,000 worth of BNB. And you just decide to hold it. Instead of saving, you just decide to hold it under BNB. It's a non-stable coin. Yes, you can hold it that way and the thing so grow and become $200,000 you have earned. And that's how a lot of people become crypto millionaires. But have you also considered what if it crashes down? That your $100,000 becomes just $15,000. You know what it means? So if you are the type who is afraid of losing that one, we advise you better save this coin. You know what? As you save it, at least you are earning something. Or if you are completely risk averse, you don't even want to save under BNB. All you need to do, convert this coin to USDT, which is a stable coin, and then still go through the staking. Save it under USDT. One, in that case, you are sure that USDT remains as it is, the normal value with dollar. But if there's an increase in all these other coins, you've lost it. You're avoiding risk. You are not going to have returns. But at least you save. So this is very important. But now I want to save on my BNB. I'm not bothered about whether bullish or bearish trend. I want to save. So I click on subscribe now. Just watch. The system is going to tell you, the final words to show that you've done this. You see it. Success. You've seen it. Look at it. Complete. Subscription time 16:21:30, and that's what exactly was here. 4:30 p.m. Now, interest accrual start time, it will start exactly by 5 p.m. Interest distribution will start exactly almost the same time. Now, product type, flexible savings, automatic subscription enabled, APR voucher not used, interest coin BNB. So my coin interest will be on the same coin I invested. And like I said earlier, it's a flexible investment. I can always withdraw it at any time, both my profits and my principal. So if you have a coin, you don't know how to do trading, you don't want to risk trading, please make more money by saving it this way. So follow this video and do simply this. Everything about crypto earning, crypto whatever, tutorials like this, that's one of the things we do on this channel. So if you are new here, we encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Share this video so that others can benefit. And if it makes sense to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now, before I round off this, I want to encourage you. There's a crypto game where you earn USDT. I'm telling you, people are earning in a particular game, earning more than 20,000 USDT at a go. and it's very legit. It's paying. I've made withdrawal. I've shared that video on this channel before. So if you want to join, please remind me. I'm going to still tell you about it. And once you join, simply make deposit, because some people join, they don't do anything. Make deposit because it's not free. You make deposit so that you can use your USDT to play those games. And those games are very easy, more than 20 of them. You can choose the ones you can be sure of. Win it, withdraw, and make more money. And that's how the stuff works. So I'm going to encourage you to be part of this. And if you have a question, use the comment box. I wish to stop here. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.